Another term for water cycle is driven by the sun's heat energy, which causes water to evaporate from water reservoir, the oceans, lake, ponds, rivers, condense into clouds, and then precipitate back to water bodies on Earth. A hydrocycle, B hydroxyl cycle, C hydrologic cycle. So the correct answer is letter C, hydrologic cycle. So the keywords is another term for water cycle. Number 22. The total weight or volume of living matter in a given area or volume. A. Density, B. Biomolecules, C. Biomass. So the correct answer, letter C, biomass. So ang keyword ani nga tandaan is total weight or volume of living matter. Number 23. What is the organism? Usually an animal that feeds on plants or other animals. A. Consumers, B. Producers, C. Decomposers. So the correct answer is consumers. What is the organism? Usually an animal ang keyword. What gas is released during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Hydrogen. So the correct answer is letter B, oxygen. Number 25. Happens over a long period of time and is defined as a certain trait and how species with this trait can or cannot survive, and how it affects the reproductions of this good or bad trait. A. Natural selection, B. Binomial nomenclature, C. Natural resources. So the correct answer is natural selection. Number 26. A body of independent technical expert and professionals of known probity from various fields organized by the EMB to evaluate the EIS and other related documents and to make appropriate recommendations regarding the issue of non-issue of an ECC. A. Environmental Impact Assessment Review Council, B. Environmental Impact Assessment Review Committee, C. Environmental Impact Assessment Review. So the correct answer is Environmental Impact Assessment Review Committee, letter B. Number 27. Which of the following is incorrectly paired with its description? A. Department of Public Works and Highway, DPWH. B. Philippine Assembly in Gaming Corporation, PAGCOR. C. Technical Education and Skill Development Authority or TESDA. The correct answer is Philippine Assembly in Gaming Corporation or PAGCOR. Number 28. A certification issued by the EMB certifying that, based on the submitted project description, the project is not covered by the EIS system and is not required to secure an ECC. A. Certificate of coverage, B. Certificate of non-coverage, C. Certificate of semi-coverage. So the correct answer, letter B, Certificate of non-coverage. So the keyword is certification issued by the EMB. The chemicals which cause plants to lose their leaves artificially, often used in agricultural practices for the weed control, and may have detrimental impact on human and ecosystem health. A. Tryptophan, B. Defoliants, C. Oxidants. So the correct answer is letter B, defoliants. So the keywords is chemical which cause plants to lose their leaves artificially. What combined with atmospheric moisture to create acid precipitation? A. Sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, B. Methane and nitrogen dioxide, C. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. So the correct answer is letter C, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. 31. This of the following refers to meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. A. Reproduction, B. bioremediation, C. Conservation. So the correct answer is letter C, conservation. So the keywords ani is refers to meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability. The maximum number of individuals and environment's resources can support, including the food and water available for the environment. A. Cogeneration. B. Monoculture. C. Carrying capacity. So the correct answer is letter C, carrying capacity. So the keyword is maximum number of individual and environment. Number 33. Assessment. Through the use of universally accepted and scientific methods of risk associated with a project. A. Environmentally critical area. B. Environmentally critical project. C. Environmental risk assessment. So the correct answer, letter C, environmental risk assessment. So the keyword is assessment. Number 35. Use energy from the sun or energy stored in chemical compounds produce energy. A. Phototropes. B. Autotrophs. C. Heterotrophs. The correct answer, letter C, heterotrophs. So the keywords is energy from the sun or energy stored chemical compound. Is a relationship between two or more individuals and species mainly concern food. A. Mutualism. B. Symbiosis. C. Competition. So the correct answer is letter B, symbiosis. So ang keywords ani relationship between two or more. A layer of the atmosphere composed of ozone gas, 03, that reside approximately 25 miles above the Earth surface and absorb solar ultraviolet radiation that can be harmful to living organisms. A. Ozone shield. B. Hemisphere. C. Thermosphere. So the correct answer is letter E, ozone shield. So ang keyword ani, a layer of the atmosphere composed of ozone gas. The duty of nursery establishment and productions of planting materials for National Greening Program or NGP. A. DA. B. DOG. C. DANR. So the correct answer is DANR, letter C. So the keyword is duty of nursery establishment production. 39. All rules and regulations and other issuances or parts thereof which are inconsistent with this executive order are hereby repealed or modified accordingly. A. Implementing guidelines. B. Repealing clause. C. Severability clause. So the correct answer is repealing clause. So ang keyword ani is this executive order repealed or modified. Prohibit the dumping of waste into a river. A. Anti-dumping law. B. Mining Act. C. Fisheries Act. So the correct answer is letter A, anti-dumping law. Ang keyword is dumping of waste into a river.